This short video walks you through how to adjust your language settings for our user on iMonnit. There are a number of ways to change your language settings on the interface. One of the great features of iMonnit Premier is the ability to create an unlimited number of users. Depending on their user permissions, administrators can make changes to other user settings on their account. Do this by navigating to Users in the main menu. Choose a user on the account. We'll do this test one as an example. Across the top here, we have the tab bar for user modification. Choose the Preferences tab. Find Language in the list of options. iMonnit supports the following language options: English, Spanish, French, Polish, German, and Korean. Make your selection on the drop-down menu and choose the Save button to keep your changes. Thanks for watching. For more how-to videos, visit monnit.com/support.